This is a vision tag. Vision tags can be stuck to just about anything, but they're probably most useful on things you want to keep track of. Within Vision Pro, these are assets. Vision tags link to Vision Pro software, a powerful tool for keeping track of all your assets. It's not just little things. Tag bigger assets like lifts or staircases. Even an entire room. Tags on rooms can be customized to tell you what should be inside and whether anything needs your attention. You can even tag an entire building, which is useful if you have to look after several buildings. You can add any information you like to a tag. Data like certificates, maintenance schedules, safety information, even images and video. With everything tagged, Vision Pro software makes it easy to see all your assets from anywhere in your portfolio, from an individual item right through to a building. For more on how you can uncomplicate your compliance, contact us for a demo today.